Badger bites, badger bites. Watch how to make them right now.
Hello everybody and welcome to Badger Bites. My name is Yusuf Harak and I'm from Morocco.
Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon West and I'm from Utah. We are here with the Snow College Student Life.
Yeah.
Hey Yosef.
Yeah?
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The one that lives on Drury Lane?
You guys have to stop with those American jokes. I just don't get it. Was that supposed to be funny? Because it wasn't.
So today we're making two different styles of muffins. In this week's bag, you will find vegetable oil, a boxed muffin mix, and a bagged muffin mix. What you will need is some eggs, either a non-stick spray or some muffin tins. You will also need a muffin pan, a large mixing bowl, some measuring cups, and stirring utensils.
As for the bag one, it's much simpler. You only need water and a measuring cup, and it only provides 6 muffins, so we'll be using a smaller muffin pan.
Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. As you can see, I have already lined the muffin tin. Now let's start adding our ingredients. First, I'm gonna add our dry ingredients. I have already opened the packaging from the box. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oil. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. Now, let's start mixing. As you can see, I'm trying to mix it to get the lumps out. Now that I can see that most, or if not all the lumps are gone, we can start pouring it into our pan. Now, remember to preheat your oven to 425. And while that's warming up, let's have Yosef come over and teach us how to cook the bagged mix.
Hey again! So the bag is much more simple than the box one. That's why they gave it to me, because last time I did not do well. So we're gonna open it. Pour everything into our mixing bowl. Then we have 1/2 cup of water, which we will pour in the bowl and then mix it with our spoon. I feel like I got the bad spoon and that makes me sad, but it's fine. Just gonna go cry at home. Okay. I feel like I need a little bit more, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I feel like it's good enough, so I'll just go with it. And so here I have 6 muffins prepared. Not muffins, but you get the idea. And I'll just pour it into it, and I put it in the oven. In the oven. Opa. And that's about it.
Now that our oven is preheated, we're going to place our muffins into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Now that our muffins are in the oven, let's set the timer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now that 15 to 20 minutes has passed, let's get our muffins out of the oven. Make sure you've got some hot pads. Oh man, that's a perfect golden brown. Let's put them on the oven so they have time to cool.
Okay guys, so this is our final product. These are our muffins. Do we want to try them out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Don't eat the paper. Oh my god! I did not think they were gonna taste like this. These are actually really good.
Yeah, those
Thank
are
you for
really
making
good.
them.
Well,
They
thank
are
you.
So good. I love them. Well, thank you guys for watching us.
Yeah, thanks for watching Badger Bites, and this is brought to you by the Student Life and Leadership.
I'm just gonna enjoy my muffin. Bye. Opa.
Bag. Okay, just start over. Sorry, okay.
No, we need a second order here.
Take two.
Muffin club.
Hey, schnozberries
Liners?
taste like schnozberries. That's what was going through my head. Professionalism.
To reiterate, Badger Bites brought to you by Student Life, because Michelle wants her credit, and rightfully so.
Does it have to be student life and leadership?
Ooh, with Student Life and Leadership. Yeah,